Yes, come on.
Another marathon. You seem to be well known for this, right? Your thoughts on that match? Because you seemingly had it was coasting, and then it got complicated, right?
Definitely. The first set was, more or less a run through. I think my opponent wasn't really warmed up as yet.
Mm-hmm.
And, I just came out. I knew I had to be aggressive. I know he likes to take the net, so I had to take that out of his game. And I executed well the first set. But the second set, he was really fighting. I know this guy to be someone with a fighting spirit, almost second to none. So I knew it wasn't over yet. And that kind of made me a little bit uneasy in the second set, but I had to keep my composure and just try serve, take opportunities when I got them, and I made the most of them tonight.
As always, it's nice to see more and more people coming out, not only playing tennis, but watching tennis. The vibe down there was good. I mean, some nights went way into the wee hours, but people weren't complaining. The vibe was great. And as I said earlier, I want to really thank the team, not only the team here led by Thanos, but David Sanguinetti as well, who did a lot of work behind the scenes. So as a team effort, couldn't be happier as a sponsor. And certainly in my tennis maker capacity, I'd say it was good to see the momentum growing with each event. So very happy as well.